Africa Cup of Nations as hosts.
Ona thengia wa timu ya Harambee Stars gukorwo igiretie kuguru kumwe raundine ya kere ya betikairi irathi na mbere cia CHAN na kwandikithia maumirira mega ciuko cia wagarari wa ugitiri kuma kuri mashabiki a Kenya no ithiete na mbere gucambicura mbica ino ya maumirira maya.
Maybe a little too deep.
Kiumia kimwe tu thutha wa CAF kuhura Kenya faini ya shiringi milioni 2.5 ni undu wa ciiko cia wagarari wa ugitiri ngucanio-ini ya mbere ya Kenya Harambee Stars magithaka na DRC. Ciiko ici nĩ ireyumĩririe muthenya wa ira hindi ya ngucanio gatagati ga Kenya na Morocco na gucũngĩrĩria CAF kurugamia wendia wa tigiti wa ngucanio ya muthia ya gikundi kia A gatagati ga Kenya na Zambia kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kasarani. Kenya ĩrĩ na mweke wa kũgata tigiti wa quarter final mbere ya ngucanio ĩno, ũndũ ũrĩa ũkamũrwo thutha wa ngucanio cia gĩkundi gĩkĩ gatagati ga kiumia gĩkĩ na mbĩtĩka yao ya muthia na Zambia Harambee Stars ya guthaka kĩharo gĩtheri gĩtarĩ na mashabiki angĩkorwo itua rĩrĩ rĩa CAF rĩtigũkorwo rĩkĩgarũrwo. Kiroko kia ũmũthĩ timu ĩno nĩ ĩgĩire na mweke wa gũcemania na mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto uria umereire kuongerera kigina kiria maraheo mahota mbĩtĩka kuma shiringi milioni 1 nginya milioni 2.5 mahota ngucanio yao na Zambia muthenya wa kiumia.
Sasa Sunday si tunashinda inshallah kwa mpenzi ya Mungu tunashinda, si ndio? Sasa vile tulifanya ile hesabu siku ile tulifanya hesabu hapo. Sasa mnajua, maja niwakumbushe, nimeongeza kidogo. Sasa Sunday tukishinda hivi kila mtu 2.5 million.
Ruto ni arire timu ino o mundu nyumba ya rumu 2 egikandikithia uhotani ngucanio-ini ya quarter final undu umwe na milioni 1.
Tukishinda quarters si ndio? Sasa juu ya 1 million juu ya 1 million nitaongeza ile mumeomba. Si mmesema mnataka affordable house? Yes. Mko hapo kwa affordable house ama mko malingine? Hapo.
Harambee Stars marathakire ngucanio ya keri kirumaniririo mari athaki 10 na kumatha pointi undu uria nyabara wa timu ino Ben Makathi augite ukoretwo uri muritu kuri we na athaki.
Yesterday's match when it turned into a difficult situation, I thought me and my technical team we thought we had it all figured out tactically, but tactics didn't help nothing. It was what you promised the players, so thank you again very much for that.
Harambee Stars niyo matongoretie gikundi kia A na pointi 7 thutha wa ngucanio 3 mbere ya Angola na njorua maita meri agikombe giki DR Congo undu umwe na timu ya Morocco, guku nayo Zambia makirugamira namba 5.
Hii coming Sunday is either we win or they lose. Ama? Yeah? Either we win or we win. So, and we trust you. We trust your acumen. We trust your professionalism. We trust your confidence. And we know you're going to make us proud.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ng'ang'a wa Nyokabi.
In ourselves, and we do not allow negativity.